Okay guys, so we're gonna make something nice and delicious today guys. Something tasty, very healthy, easy in the pocket guys. You know how we're gonna make today? Something rich, some chicken back and some gungo pea soup guys. Look at it. Looking nice people. We are gonna dig in it.
Str8yaad, big up myself.
Big up Str8yaad TV. The food was amazing. Food 10 out of 10. Of course, one Str8yaad TV. One.
Okay my people, welcome back to the channel. Str8yaad TV in the kitchen today guys, and we're gonna make something nice and special for you guys, okay? So we have today, we know we have some gungo peas here guys. Real gungo peas. See them here? Real gungo peas. We are gonna make some gungo peas soup today guys. And I have all my ground provision over here and my pumpkin. Of course, you know me have a nice breadfruit there, so. And my scallion, and my thyme, and my scotch bonnet, and my garlic. I have a nice cocoa here, blue cocoa guys. I have a nice sweet potato. I have my chocho. I have a turnip here, nice one. And of course, I have a nice piece of yellow yam guys. Alright, so we are gonna make some gungo pea soup guys. Okay, some nice gungo pea soup. But guess what we are gonna make it with today? We are gonna make it with some real chicken back guys. Chicken back and gungo pea soup we are make today. Okay? That is what we're making. You know, guys, I like to tell you that Hurricane Melissa do a lot of damage in Jamaica, so we have to stay tuned and bless up people and give God thanks for all who living and make them know so we are going to pull through. So just sit tight and fight the battle and keep fighting. God is there guys. So we are going to make some soup because you know in this time, like in the hurricane time too, all the best thing them have to match up fast. Only part we can eat out of one pot. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to make one nice, quick, easy pot of soup guys. Okay, we can share. We all know that the chicken back a nice soup, you know guys. But what the people don't make it the way I'm going to make it today. So stay tuned, watch the process guys. Here's the chicken back, I'm going to clean them up. Yeah. Alright, so we are going to go through and clean them up and come back to you guys and show you them after we clean them up, okay? So stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching the video. Please give the video a thumbs up guys, and guys I'm asking you guys to please subscribe to the channel guys. Just don't watch the channel and don't subscribe. Subscription is free guys, and to comment is free also, and to share the video is free also guys. It costs you nothing, okay? So please help the channel to grow guys. One Str8yaad TV. We are clean up with me people, we are take off the excess fat. You know how we go. Take out all them little parts here we don't want in a heat. Keep the meat nice and clean. And you know how we go. When the soup are land, the soup are going nice my people. Trust me. Nice. And guys, you know the Savlama and the Westmoreland and the Hanover division get a hard hit guys. Hard hit with the hurricane. Central is a bit also guys, but there's a lot of places get hard hit. Just like Hanover and Westmoreland. Guys, hopefully I want to go down there and help some people guys. I wanted to help some people because I know a lot of people don't have nothing right now. They're stranded. Okay? So guys, if you can help somebody, help somebody. And I hope everybody come together as one and help each other in this time guys. Because we all need help. You know how it go already. Melissa is not a joke. Whether it real or it unreal, it's not a joke guys. Okay, my beautiful people, check it out. This is the chicken back, guys. Look them pretty and nice. Well clean, look at him nice. Guys, and you can make your own chicken back, you know, guys. If you buy leg and thigh, you can just take the knife and cut off the back part with any amount of meat you want on it to make your chicken back have more meat. Okay? Or you can just go to the store and buy it. It's very easy. Okay? Let's see, I have some nice cut one here. See? Nice. So here is it, guys. Then well clean, well washed, and ready to cook. Okay? So stay tuned. We are going to put pot pan for you now. And we are going to start the cooking, guys. So stay tuned and watch the video, guys. And share it to your friends and tell them, right now, nothing I'm going on, some chicken back soup we are going to make. Okay, my people. Right now, we have the gungo peas in here. We are going to wash them off. Put him in the pot. Just put on the pot pan for you, my people. So we are going to make the water go and boil up. We will wash the peas, put it in the meantime. Drop 2 of garlic in it. You know it go already. Garlic kind of make it cook faster, you understand? So that's what we are doing right now. Wash off the gungo peas. Yeah. Okay guys, this is it. Nice portion of gungo peas. We are going to make some gungo peas soup with chicken back. So you know how it goes. So we are going to drop in the gungo peas now. Put the pan fire ready with some water warm up. Ready and waiting to boil up. I'm going to drop in some garlic, you know, my people. Like me tell us, garlic tenderize it and make it cook fast. So we're going to drop in 3 pegs of garlic right away. Make the peas cook quick. Alright. So right now, we're going to put in the peas and the peas are already in the pot now, my peeps. We're going to make the peas them boil a little bit first before we put in the chicken back. Because the peas them take a long time to cook, guys. So we have to cook the peas them like almost half cooked before we put in the meat. So stay tuned, watch the video. In the kitchen with it. Okay, my people, so right now, like how the peas is on the fire cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and start prep some things in the meantime. Because you know this pot is a quick and fast pot, you know. The hardest thing in the pot is the peas, guys. Okay, the gungo peas. It's the hardest because it's dry. If it was green gungo peas, it would have cooked fast. But it's dry gungo peas, so it take a little time to cook. So it's on the fire right now, taking its time doing its thing. So in the meantime, I'm going to prep my carrot and all these things, my turnip and all them things, and my pumpkin. Get them ready. Alright, the pips. So I'm going to peel them and put them in a little dish there. Get them ready to go. Okay, my peeps. Alright, so I take off a nice little piece of pumpkin here. You don't need no heap of pumpkin, you know, because no pumpkin soup we make. We make gungo peas soup with chicken back. Peel up the pumpkin and thing. Get them ready for going in, you know where it go. Guys, soup is not hard to make, you know. No type of soup is hard to make. Soup is like a one pot down. It's a one, everything in one pot. You gotta know how to make it for it to taste nice, okay? So watch Str8yaad and follow the drift. Same thing I'm telling you. The same way it go. You can't wrong. Soup of it nice. Alright, my peeps. So gungo peas in the fire, you know, I go on taking time, I go and cook. And when it reach like halfway, then we're going to add the chicken back, my people. And then we're going to add some more ingredients. So you gotta have to stay tuned and watch how I cook that one. And when I go nice, let me say nice, the people, it go nice. Same way. You know it's rough and around down there. And my people, they must suffer right now. Can't get no aid, then can't get no water, then can't get no light, no electricity. Yeah, electricity or light same way. No water, no light, no internet service. And you know them trapping. Road is hard to get to. And all these things. So you know what, my people, no stay strong. You know, so we love you, know. I'm going to try to say I can come through and help the them. Do even 1 or 2 things to come there and help you. So you know my people, you know, say Hanover side me come from, you know people. Hanover and Westmoreland side, from my side that. What hit the hardest, so you know it go. So we have some soup here now. Yeah, all my people them who don't have nothing much in their cabinet. Just hold the faith, man. Things are gonna work. Things are gonna reach, you know. And if you don't have little meat, kind of don't have some peas, anything you don't have, just work with it right now. Just like what I'm showing you right now. Nothing expensive for your pocket. That one, anything you have in your fridge can work with this, my people. Alright? And it's very delicious, nice and healthy. Killing one turnip and thing, you know it go. The first time when I make chicken back soup around here at Jamaica, you know, guys. Not in yellow yam we don't have in it, you know. It's just banana and dumpling, you know, because sometimes we don't have no food in session. Just banana and dumpling, chicken back, anything we get through in it. And it still comes out nice and delicious, guys. Because we are survivors. We know how to survive. So the people them who get trapped in the hurricane Melissa and get battered and beaten bad, losing house top. Some of them don't have nowhere to sleep right now. So just go and do the thing, man. Go and match up the thing the right way, same way, you know. Just go on, you know. We are come through for now. God there wait, you know. We're not going to get it the same way. Everything is going to work out the right way. No worry on yourself. You know, we are with a struggle. And anything we got, we put it together and eat it. And give God thanks. So right now, I'm showing you back some poor people food right now. Them call it the poor people food, you know. Chicken back a poor people food, so them say. But if any Jamaican who don't eat chicken back from them born, they never poor. Because they say a poor people food. But a lot of it me eat my peeps. And it never do me nothing. Still survive, man. Still get through life. Still fight life same way. You know it go already. You don't know white soup, guys? White soup is when you don't have no pumpkin or nothing in the soup, alright? It's just straight chicken back boiling in the water. Alright, that's what we call it white soup. And you add the noodle and you add the ingredients. As a matter of fact, you boil the chicken back, put it in the dumpling, put it in the breadfruit, put it in your yam and everything. Then go and boil. And drop in your noodle. Drop in your pepper and your scallion in your time. White soup, no color. Nobody believe say it no can work. It can work same way. Alright? A lot of people have pumpkin to drop in their soup in time to get little color. Sometimes you know it's rough. Just like right now, it's rough right now, my peeps. Anything you got, put it to use. Just go and work. Just go and try to survive right now. And you know, so the place probably full of water, guys. And you can't get to cook. But if you don't find dry tree, my people, chop it down. Build up one kind of high something off of the ground or off of the water. If it's even tall. Put piece of zinc on it, catch up on the fire and cook on the pot. Don't do it and dead for hungry, my peeps. Remember me telling you, if I even have the water no there, put stone in it and build it up high and make it over the water and put a fire side there and cook on the pot. I don't know how to survive, you know. I survive and thing with it on it right now. And Jamaica now gonna come back right now. So I'm fool not telling about next 2-3 years. This will take 10, 20 years, 15 years to recover. Because everybody get damaged, everybody get hit. Everybody lose everything they got. Most people, not everybody. Most people lose everything they got. And have nothing leave, guys. Alright? So it go. You know, Melissa come through and doing damage. And go and left with. So stay tuned and watch the video, guys. Well, there I make some chicken back soup. Some gungo peas. So me I do you know me I mats up. I mats up my pumpkin, my people, and my chocho. And I mats up my turnip to put in. You know it go. Alright, so then they look good. Wash off my pepper, because you know the potato fast, you know my guys. Potato nice. A potato no long pot. Remember me telling you. You know every wood probably saturated right now. But even Greenwood can cook too, you know. I'm telling you that. Once you get it light, it can work. I know a lot of people don't have a stove right now. And can't cook nothing. And just try me people, try to survive. Trust me, no give up. No say Str8yaad love you. We are all one people. No matter which part you come from, we are all one people. Okay, guys. Okay, my beautiful viewers and subscribers. See? Most of my ingredients prep already, you know, my people. Them they're ready to go. So the only thing we have left to put in a pot now, not them here, is right here. And this is garlic. I have garlic in my pot already. Even though I'm drop on next piece with that. Clean off 2 more peg. You know, my man love my garlic, you know, my peeps. Garlic make everything right. Just gotta know how to use it. Yeah, man. Drop 2 pieces of garlic there, so. So you know how it goes on, my people. The only thing we have left to add to the pot right now, or if we peel up, is my breadfruit, my potato, my blue cocoa, and my yellow yam. And you know we are going to make 2 dumplings to one drop in night. Because we can't make soup without dumplings. Dumpling of the night. Alright? So now stay tuned and watch what I'm going. Watch the video. Give it a like, guys, when you're watching it. Give it a thumbs up. Share the video. And subscribe to the channel, guys. Str8yaad TV. Alright, my people. Let me check out me. Peas them. Gungo peas them, guys. Looking at pot of base steam a kick. You see how them float up, guys? Yeah. We are going to sink them with some cold water. So we are going to add some cold water to it now and get them sink. And make them go and do them thing. So watch what we are dealing with. Alright, my peeps. We are going to put some cold water in it. Sink all of them. And then go boil. Yeah. Sink them, my peeps. Then gone back at bottom now. Looking at the pot now, my peeps. You saw them gone at bottom now? That is what you do with peas when you're cooking peas. You have to sink them. If you don't sink them, they cannot cook out properly. And they're going to take you all day boiling up the water and not cook, okay? And worse, these are dry peas. Every dry piece float after they start to boil. You have to put some cold water and get it sink to the bottom. And make it start cook. Okay, guys? So stay tuned. Watch what I go on. Alright, my beautiful people, my viewers and my subscriber. Guys, I'm going to check the pot right now. Because the peas them are going good. See them there? They're almost cooking on people. I'm going to test one and tell you what I go on. Or half cook. You know, fully cook, my people. Half cook. So this is the best time now to add the chicken. Back. See them here? Some beautiful chicken back, guys. So then look. Let me show you some beautiful chicken back. All of them are chicken back. No chicken inside of this. Okay, guys? It's just chicken back. So we're going to add all our chicken back right now to the pot. By the time this cook, the peas them cook, everything ready, and ready to go. See the guys, a whole pot chicken back, you know, so in pot full. Wow. Yep. This is what we're talking about. So guys, we are going to make the chicken back go and cook too with it, finish cook with the peas. And then we are going to start add some more ingredients, guys. So stay tuned and watch the video. This pot is gonna be epic. Okay, my beautiful people, guys, we're gonna check out the pot. Look pan oil on top, boy. You know when you boil chicken back soup? I saw oil long on top. You see the oil? Even though I take out most of the skin, no, I say all of the skin. Because I take off all of the skin, guys. Look at them. I take off all of the skin off of them. All of the skin. There's no skin on them. Now all of the fat we take off. You understand? But when you make soup, everything will come out of the pot. Everything will come out of the meat. Alright? So it's looking good. It's getting there. Check one more piece one more time. I'ma come now. Now I'ma get soft. I tell you. Right now, guys, The peas is getting there and I know the meat is getting there too. So guess what happened now? I will start add some more ingredients. Cause you have to know when you make soup, you have to know how you cook soup, you know. Soup, you just throw everything in a pot and boil now, my people. You have to know when to add, what to add and how to add and when to add. Okay, so we are going to add some pumpkin in tonight. Cause I want some color out of the peas too. A gungo peas soup, this with chicken back. So make them 2 pieces of pumpkin that go and boil. I'm going to put some more boiling water on it because we need soup. We don't need food only. We need soup also, okay? Look at the top, guys. So it shine. That's the oil that's boiled out of the meat, out of the bones and everything, guys. That's how chicken back look when you boil soup. So we're going to make him go some cooking again. We'll make the pumpkin go and cook. And then we will mash him out tonight. And then we're going to start add with ingredients then. Like my breadfruit, my yellow yam, sweet potato, and all them chocho and all them things, guys. Where you see me just peel me carrot and all them things. We'll soon add them. So stay tuned and watch what's going on, guys. Str8yaad TV. Here up Jamaica. Jamaica no problem right now, but we'll get through. God is there, guys. Melissa come through and wreck the country, but we still get back. Str8yaad TV. Okay, my beautiful people. Guys, I'm gonna start put some more stuff in the pot now, you see. I just add the pumpkin. The peas are almost there. The chicken back almost there. So we're gonna get ready and now we're gonna start cook now, my people, because you know soup is an easy thing, you know, guys. You just have to know when to add and how to add, okay? So I'm gonna put in some yellow yam right now, my breadfruit, my cocoa, and my sweet potato. I'm gonna go and match them, you know, my peeps. Now I use all of this yam, you know, my peeps. Just using peas. Look at it, guys. This is how pretty it is. Yep. Nice piece of yellow yam, this, my people. So, right now, we have peel up the food them. And we're going to add them in the pot, my peeps. Because right now, the pot come together how I want it. Looking nice. And it's going to taste nice also, my peeps. Just wait until it finish. Trust me, guys, you want to be here to taste some of this. I wish you could have sent some guy here to give some people right now. Because I know enough people don't have nothing to eat down there right now, you know, people. But don't worry, Str8yaad coming there to help you guys. One day, I have to come there to help you now. Just wait till they release the airline them and all them foolishness what them are going with. Just wait. We are come through, man. Cut up with yam. Guys, see I'm cut me yam, them cup size. You know, big hunk of yam, cup size. Cup size. Cup size. Everybody have to get peas. See them, peeps? Nice and pretty. We'll put him straight in the pot right now. Because you know yellow yam or something. When you peel him and put him down, he start change color. Start black. You don't want that. That's why I'm putting my food them in a segment, guys. Trust me. You know, boil soup, so not so soup boil. You have to know how to add things to pot. When drop in blue cocoa here now too. See the guys so in blue and pretty. Nice piece of blue cocoa this in, man. And I want next finger there and I'll probably look feet and put it too. But guys, I don't want too much food in this pot. I want some soup. Something to keep it warm. Cut out the cocoa them, guys. In some little bite size, and if they melt out, all it just give the soup body to the pot, guys. That's all it do. Okay? Good old breadfruit here. Half it me I use, guys, not all. And the breadfruit I can roast too, you know, my peeps. But don't make any fool, you know. When the breadfruit then looks like sweeter in anything you put in. Trust me. Sweet. This can roast, you know. Look like a roasting breadfruit, but you can boil soup also. Because right now it's sweeter. Boil all my breadfruit and eat them, man. Put in a soup and now make it give the pot some body, my people. You know what is body? Mean the soup get thicker and richer when I add these stuff in it. I don't have to add no, because I don't cook with cornstarch, guys. I know a lot of people cook with cornstarch. It's not good, it's not healthy. I don't use it. I use natural food to get my things the way I want it. Okay, my peeps. Nice piece of breadfruit, isn't it? So guys, you see the stem part of the breadfruit? When it's well full like this one, it's right here. You see all the food is right there. When it's young, you're gonna have to come about here to get it out. Because you have a little, I'm gonna just skim it and show you a little bit. I'm just skimming it and show you. You see this part here? When it's young, you have a lot of height come all the way down here. Because this is real full and it's almost ready like a roasting breadfruit. This is why you have just pure meat. You see that? Pure food. Nothing to waste on it, guys. Okay? So, you know how it go, we can't use certain words, you know. We have to use different words because YouTube no want certain words, you know, guys. So you have to know if you use the thing. So see it there? We have cut out the stem part, you know. See it there? Nice. See them there? Nice and pretty. We're gonna go ahead and wash them off, my peeps. And everything we do, we have to wash, you know. We wash. We think them have it nice and clean. So they can taste good. We don't cook dirty pot, guys. Cook clean pot. So, watch them style here. We'll cut them up. Soup we make. I'm going to show you one new style, my peeps. You know, make soup, you know, if you cut them and put them like this, unless you're going to cook the boiled breadfruit. But when you're making soup, just cut them up. Cut them up like an Irish and chocho and carrot. No matter. I'm going to boil out and make body in a soup. You can get 1 or 2 pieces when they melt down. And it tastes much delicious. See it, my peeps? Put in some cocoa and some breadfruit in our pot. You know it go. See that pot looking good. Go in a pot, go boil, boy. So make soup. So guys, there's only one thing I have left to peel here. And I make sweet potato. And you know you're gonna mash out, you know. But it no matter because when you mash out, like me tell you, it gives the pot body. It give it more, get it more thicker and more richer. Okay? So I'm not gonna cut it too fine. Because I don't want all of it to boil out. I want to eat a little piece of it too. So stay tuned and watch what I do, my peeps. You can cut it the way you wanted. It all depends on the occasion or the food you're cooking for the event or whatever. Okay, guys? It's a basic cooking me and show you. Work with me like this, no can't wrong. No can't dead for hungry, no peeps. As I'm a survivor, I learned to cook anything, change it, turn it in a fashion. Take your hand on fashion. Ever hear your mother tell you take your hand on fashion? Cook what you got. Learn to work with what you got. That's how I grew up, guys, and I learned to cook off a lot of different stuff, my peeps. I just go out and practice to cook a lot of different stuff and see how they come out. Okay? Alright, see there? Nice piece of potato. Let me tell you, now I'm going to cut them up too small because I'm not in for early. So them I go boil down. Then you leave me one little piece. I'm good with that. This is how big I'm cutting them, my peeps. And I'm adding it to the pot right now. Boy, in a pot, go cook. You know how it goes. So we have all our ingredients in the pot now, guys. This is the last ingredients we have in the pot now. So guess what happened? I'm going to add some of them. I'm not going to add all of them. I'm going to show you what I'm doing when I say some of them. I'm going to leave back my pepper, my thyme, and my scallion. I'm going to add, these are the chocho. These are the turnip. I'm going to add them. I'm going to add the carrot also, guys. Because these things don't mash so easily. Okay? These things can boil for hours. You guys got to know when to add and how to add. So we're going to stir the pot now. And send him go a road. And guys, stay tuned. I so mash the pumpkin and show you how I deal with the pumpkin. Yeah. Now we look good. See them there gungo peas look good tonight. Yeah, man. Pot look nice, people. So, we are going to make him go and do some more work. And we're going to cover him up now. And make the fire do the rest of the work. I'll get back to you guys. The only thing I'm going to do next is add some dumpling and these little ingredients, guys. Scallion with thyme and scotchy. Everything else in the pot. Plus the cock noodle. Okay, guys, so right now I have one little other thing to do. I'm gonna do it and let you guys see. Cause you know me not hide nothing from you, you know. Me show you exactly how I cook pot, you know. I mean not play. Show you from scratch, right up till we finish, or from start to finish. How we are going to do now, my peeps? So them a cook already? Yeah, we are gonna mash them up. We'll mash them out. See? Where they cook. And put them back in the pot. Get some nice flavor out of them pumpkin, okay? And also some beautiful colors. Okay, guys? Just stay tuned and watch what I go on. Guys, if you cut them real fine, you don't have to do what I'm doing, but I like to cut them big and then mash them. I don't like the fine thing too much. Because, you know, sometimes it boils out too fast when you don't ready yet to crush it. It's already boiled out. And then now, you have to stay on top of your pot. If your pot going to start stick, you not store regular, you not check your pot regular, it will go burn. Okay? And this is the reason, guys, I don't put noodles in soup. I strain out the cock soup, or the chicken noodle, or the Maggi pumpkin, or whatever one you want to use, up to you guys. What I do, I mash it out complete. And sometimes I put a little water on it like that, and get it real puree. So everything is mashed out clean, see? Like that. Then I'm going to add him to the pot now, guys. And you're going to see the color change immediately. You see that? But I don't want it to change too much from the gungo color. So this is the reason why I don't use too much pumpkin, guys. Because I'm not making pumpkin soup, I'm making gungo peas soup. Okay? Gungo peas soup with chicken back, my people. This one is gonna be so nice, guys. You see that? Yeah. This is what we're looking for. We're not looking for no too much deep yellow color. I need some yellow color, yes, but not too deep, not too thick with pumpkin. Okay, guys? You guys can make it the way you want. I'm just giving you some tips. Because if you want it to be pumpkin color, all you gotta do is put more pumpkin, okay? That's all you gotta do. Just put more pumpkin. If you love pumpkin and you want to have a thick pumpkin color, just put more pumpkin. But guys, like I say, I'm making some gungo peas and chicken back soup. See it there? This is what we're talking about. See him there? Yeah. Oh Lord. This is the color I need. Yep. When the gungo peas start shell, you get a greenish color. Okay? Even if you don't put pumpkin, you kind of get a greenish color. It's worse if you're using the green gungo peas. So guys, I'm gonna cover up now. I'm gonna make the fire do some more work, guys. So subscribe to the channel and share the video, guys. One love. Str8yaad TV. In our kitchen over there. Cover up the pot and make the fire do some work, guys. Okay, my beautiful people, my viewers and my subscribers, I'm gonna need up some dumpling for the soup, guys. Some spinners and some little baby ones. Just a little bit, because I'm not using a lot of flour today. Trust me. This is just a little bit. Yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and knead it up and put it down, guys. Because when I'm ready for it, I'm gonna just add it straight. Trust me. Soup is something, it's very easy. So when you're making soup, guys, you can just prep all your stuff, then put them down and just go ahead and start cooking. In a noon time, you finish cook. Okay? Alright, people, so I'm going to add some cornmeal. Because you know when you cook barefoot flour, you know. You have to add something in it to break it down, okay? So we add a little cornmeal to it. That's my cornmeal jar there, guys. Yeah, mix him out. Then go on, you know. I'm gonna put a little bit of salt, guys. I'm using the pink salt, guys, okay? So I'm putting a little bit of salt. Salt for taste, guys, okay? I'm gonna mix up some dumpling, guys. Mix him out a little bit. Mixing dumplings like mixing concrete, guys. It's just water and salt you add to it, okay? It's not hard. But you gotta know the amount of water and you gotta know the amount of salt. Go by the amount of flour you're using, okay? It's all about measurements. I will tell you about that one differently, guys. So if you don't know how to add the water, you're gonna spoil the flour, okay? So I'm advising you to put a little by little, not just pour a lot one time. Because if you don't have no more flour and you spoil the flour, you salt. You're gonna have to do spoon dumpling. You ever hear about spoon dumpling, guys? You can't do spoon dumpling too if you spoil it. Just use a spoon and spoon it up and throw in like pot. Come out good same way, but not perfect like when you make it the right way, like this. Okay? Okay. This is how we need flour, my peeps. We don't leave nothing in the plate. So let's add a little bit more water to this little baby pot here, guys. Not a lot, because a little bit less. That is it. See? Guys, you gotta know mixture, okay? Know how to mix. See in there? See me? Huh? See in there? Ready, I know, you know, peeps. Ready, I know. Ready if you put in a pot. So we need flour, my peeps. We don't left nothing. Plate clean. See it there? So we need flour, okay? This is how we make some beautiful dumpling, guys. That is the dough, guys. The dough is perfectly ready, see? Not sticking on your hand, it's not mushy. It's not something that when you try to make it, it's spoiling in your hand, you can make a perfect dumpling. This is the perfect dough to make a perfect dumpling, guys, okay? So all I'm doing, making it on one side. I'll soon add him to the pot. Just stay tuned and watch that. Okay, my people, we're gonna check out the pot. Look good already. This is the color I'm telling you about, guys. Not too thin, not too thick, okay? Just perfect. Perfect soup. Imagine when you finish cook this down to the right size, you get the right thickness you want. Okay, guys? So stay tuned. Watch what I go on. I'm gonna add the dumpling. I'm not making, I already break them up in size the way I want, guys. And I'm doing this quick and fast. Like this now, spinners. Okay, guys? Spinners. You know heap of dumpling business, some spinners. Some spinners, guys. Alright, so I'm gonna make some soup dumpling for you now. So these one we call it soup dumpling, guys. These are the soup dumplings, one little baby one, okay? We call them cup size. Like this. Okay, guys? Okay! Alright, so we want to make them smaller. We just make them in a small ball like this. And just do like that. A little baby girl. Yeah. Soup pot to call it. Okay, guys? Make a next one for you. And then we're going to make 2 dumplings. Like these. Small like that. That to call soup dumpling. But now we are going to show you the real dumpling. And this is no cartwheel, you know, guys. If you want to see cartwheel, I'll show you one next time. I'm just showing a decent size dumpling. Like this. Yeah, I'll make 2 decent size put in a pot. But if we make cartwheel now, a big dumpling that people, big dumpling. Thick. You want it off 2, you can't move. That is it. We don't make no more big dumpling, guys. We'll make some soup dumpling now, some spinners. in all different shape and form and size. Okay? Quick and fast. We're almost there, you know, guys. Pot soon ready. Pot looking beautiful. So dropping some nice size spinach. We don't know baby one need that, no peeps. You get 2 or 1, you're good. Alright, see me? That is it. We give you one story now. See how you look. Beautiful. No sticking nothing. Pot free. Lot of soup in a pot. Decent amount of food, not a lot. So guys, we're going to cover up the pot here now and make the fire do some more work, my people. So stay tuned, watch the video. Okay guys, so we're going to check out the pot again. We'll drop some pimenta in him and on my people, and we're going to start seasoning up the pot now. So we're going to drop some thyme with good old Scotch bonnet. 2 nice stalk of scallion here. And we are going to just rub him a little bit and scratch him up and throw him in there. We're going to give pot a 1 star, my people. Right now, we're going to give him a 1 star. Yeah. Pot feel good, no sticking on the bottom. See? Everything is free. Nice, that's what I'm looking for. Okay, my peeps. Right now, I'm going to put something else in the pot. Make you go and cook it in the meantime. Okay, my people, so right now we are going to put on 1 cock soup in it from early out. A season we are seasoning up the pot on peeps. So I'm going to take out the season only. I'm not going to use the flour pot right now. I prefer not to use no flour pot, right? Okay, guys? So the soup no stick and it no burn. You see me, you can't even wash it out in the water. Or dip it like that. And do something like that, like take out all the season and dip him out, take out the season. See? This is all flour leaf, guys. You don't need this. We don't need that pot. We're gonna throw it in the garbage. Okay, gonna make our pot stick and burn. Alright? Yeah, so we give him 1 star now. Yeah. Looking nice and wonderful, my people. So I make that 1 cooking now. So guys, stay tuned and watch the video, guys. And remember to like, share, comment and subscribe, guys. And leave a comment also, okay? We are going to cover up the pot and make the fire do some more work, my people. So stay tuned and watch the video to the end, guys. And give it a thumbs up. Okay, my people. So right now, I will check out the pot again. See what I make out here now, my peeps. Pot are coming good. Looking fine. Right now, we're going to test him out now. Yeah, of course, you know, we're going to season him up now. This is the final touch. So, add the next cock soup now, my peeps. Still, I do the same thing. I don't put no flour part tonight. Let's get out all the season part only. And you can't wash him out, like I tell you. Let's put him in a nice strain and wash him out. Get out all the flavor. And leave the flour part out. Okay, guys? So it don't stick. And the soup don't burn. See? Right now, this is just the flour part leave only. See? Yeah, I don't need this part. So I'm gonna throw him out. Alright, my peeps, so we're gonna test him out and I want to see what I make out there again. I'm gonna taste him now. Probably need a little salt, that's it. That's all. Yeah. Like we say, I'm gonna put some salt for taste. Okay, guys. Season up, we're season up and the final part right now, people. Finish now after a couple more minutes, you know. Pot ready. Okay, guys. bit more. Yeah. Yes, my people, right now I him that. Nothing of bother tasty again now. So I can simmer down a little bit more. Like for the next 5 more minutes, 10 more minutes. Ready to eat. Yeah, that's what we're talking about. So we'll close him up here now. And make the fire go and do some more work. And then we'll check in back on him, guys, and by that, time to eat. Okay, my beautiful people. See the pot, guys? Nice and rich and thick. See? Yeah, this is what we're talking about. Nice gungo peas and chicken back soup. See it, guys? That we are talking about. So, guys, the pot finished cooking now. You know me telling us that we're soon ready to eat. We're at eating time now, so we are going to turn off the fire. Because pot finish. So nice and rich soup is, guys. Yes, some nice gungo peas and chicken back. So we're going to turn off the fire and we're going to dig in it for you guys. Okay, guys. So we're going to dig in it for you now, guys. You know how it goes? See it here? Looking nice and rich. So it look nice. See scotch bonita, guys. I'm going to break it in the mind. I want a little more pepper. And everybody like the pepper. You know what it go? So we have some nice spinners here. Nice piece of chocho. Some nice chicken back them here. You know what it go? It's a yellow yam. Some nice spinners. So we're going to dig in it for you guys. Yeah, man. Yes, guys. This is what we're talking about. Especially about the pepper in it. Guys, this soup is so nice and delicious, guys. Guys, you need to try it the same way. Good result. Okay? I'm going to have to sit down and dig in this for you guys. I sit down and deal with this now. Yes, man. Soup nice and rich, people. So, guys, I'm gonna sit down and dig it in for you guys. So, stay tuned, subscribe, watch the video. Str8yaad TV. We out, guys.